Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how I customize my vase using Rustoleum spray paint, half and half water and vinegar, and some shattered glass. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need a board so you don't get paint on your floors. You can even use a bag. So let's start with spraying the vase from the inside. I wanted to see how it went first. So this is a test run. So I'm going to spray the inside to make sure I like it. Once I spray the inside, make sure I get paint evenly all in the vase. So I'm going to rotate it. You can see I'm getting spray paint on my hands. I thought about using gloves, but I didn't feel like going to my car to get it. So I'm gonna have a spray painted hand. Rotate and rotate the vase because this one is kind of slim. If you have a bigger vase, you don't have to worry about that as much. But since my vase is smaller, I have to make sure that all the spray paint is evenly inside. I'm gonna shake the bottle with water and vinegar, and I'm gonna spray the inside of the vase so it beads up and give me that Mercury effect that I'm looking for. The Mercury effect is when the glass is peeking through a little bit, just like this. I'll let this dry a little bit and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna check on it to see if it's dry. I'm flipping it over because I want to make sure the paint is kind of dripping. I want a dripping Mercury effect. Something different. So this is my first time doing this and I'm really liking the results of how it's coming. So you want to keep checking it to see if it's the desired coverage that you want. So I'm almost getting to where I want it. I think I'm going to spray it a few more times. This is how it's looking from the outside. So my initial plan was to just spray the inside, do the Mercury effect from the inside. But because I want a more shinier look, or glam, I shall say, I'm going to go ahead and spray the outside too and give it some texture with the glass. So we're going to do the same process with the spray paint and the mixture of water and vinegar. If you want a nice expensive looking vase for a low price, you should do this project. It was very inexpensive and it was quick. I spent way under $10 for this whole project. Sorry about the dog barking. Don't mind him. He's over there upset because I won't let him out, but I got to keep him safe and away from the spray paint. So let's continue to spray the outside. I'm liking how it's looking actually. So once we do that, we're going to spray it with the mixture. Spray paint it again and then add the glass. It's going to make it shine and give it some texture. We want to use all the glass. Now we want to spray it in place. Shake up your bottle every single time you use the spray paint. And then add a little bit more glass so it holds. If anyone has any suggestion on how to make the glass stay, another technique, feel free to drop it down in the comments. I would love suggestions. Look how beautiful that is in the light. And you can check it out in different lighting. Look at that texture. That is so gorgeous. It's the perfect accent piece for your glam studio or your apartment or house. It's just so beautiful. The vase was only $1. The glass, I already had it in my kit, which was $2. The spray paint was about $3 on Amazon. And water and vinegar, and that's it. Let me know how it comes out if you try it. Thanks for watching. Bye!